Hi guys, just gone through midday here in London, so I'm just going to have a quick look over the charts for you. Got the S&P here to start with, equities in general at very key levels. Yesterday you can see what happened. So the points we were talking about yesterday were the lows from February, March 19, June as well as the first key point. The other was this trend channel, which was just so well respected in previous years and months. And also when we broke through here, that ended up being the top. We closed below this level. The bears are currently in control. I have to say that from those points. It was the biggest give up of a gain since 2008. However, we did not close below the 31st of March. Decision time has come in here on the 60-minute. You can see the importance just of those levels now. So I'm just going to bring in the pivots here as well. Trading opportunity wise, it's okay. Let's just move this down now to get, you know, this pattern in. Could have called that a bit of a head and shoulders if you want as well. Head in the middle there and two shoulders. For me, it's a good short. It's a good short if we can close below this low of the day, and I mean even intraday it could be a long above 26.78. But the big long comes if we break yesterday's high. We break that trend line and we can really kick on as well. So worth keeping an eye on that. Big level coming in, big time for equities. Short below, long above is how I'd be looking at that. Similar setup for the Dow and the Nasdaq as well. Quick look over at the euro. It's hit a key, let's call it resistance point yesterday and drifted down since then. The range that we broke out yesterday morning, that got retested as a strong level of support, as you see here. It's stuck in with the middle of a range. For me, the euro does, you know, one or two things, and one or two things today, and that is either it just stays in this range and does nothing, you don't want to be involved in it, or we make a break and that's when the trade comes. So the way I'd be looking to play this is a long above here. If we get back below that low, I'm looking at the shorts to the low that we had of the month and then even that low of the year. However, right now in the middle here, not too interested in getting involved. Bit mid-range, it's been stuck to this pivot for the majority of the day. Not much going on here. Leave it alone is the way I would look at that. The pound, interesting one as well. How do we look to play this? Because we have been pushing higher. We broke through actually a bit of key resistance yesterday from these lows. However, we didn't quite confirm a push on. So now it's probably worth just moving that level to yesterday's high. Also 123, the handle on futures has just been superb as a level of support. So have that on. We're now in this mini range if you're not in a trade. Long above, short below, with decent targets for both of those. You would be looking, if we go short, down to the 122s. Long, well hang on, you're looking up at that double top and towards 124.84. Hope you all have a good trading day, and I'll catch you all tomorrow.